I'm gonna show you guys how to paint your calipers. Give it some good paint. Scratch them bad boys up a little bit so the paint sticks to it, and just spray out. The rotor, we'll just pretend we didn't see that. This first coat, they looking nice. We'll let them dry. I'll show you how nice they look. Drips a little bit of paint, don't worry about it. That means it's getting on there good. Just let that dry for a little bit and we'll be right back. Alrighty, for all my people always arguing with these drilled and slotted rotors, which way should this face? Well, I'm gonna let you guys know, if you actually look at it and it doesn't specifically tell you which way, there's writing on the rotor itself. And if you look here, it's a left. The other rotor says right. So that's how you know it goes on the left, which is the driver's side, and the other one goes on the right, because these letters are changed on the other one. There you go again. There's the L. Don't worry about that R. It's this one here. So there you go, guys. That's how you determine which way these drilled and slotted rotors go. Always straight off of manufacturer's instructions. Y'all have a blessed one, and get them rotors on right. Peace. And this, my friends, is how beautiful they turn out after you paint the calipers on these vehicles. So there it is, drilled and slotted. And by the way, for those of you that didn't know, this has some writing on the side to let you know which way is that slot supposed to be facing. So if you see, they both have the PR, which is some type of serial number. Then this one has the L, which is the left side, which for any vehicle would be the driver's side. And the other one has the R for the passenger side. So when it turns, I guess it blows out the excess heat and friction, or heat or whatever, out of this side. So they turn that way. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. But there it is again. If yours doesn't have the numbers or the letters stating where or what side it goes to, do some research, because I think this does affect the way they stop.